What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my hair pamper routine, everything that I do to pamper my hair. It's super simple. And I would love to thank Naturall Club for sponsoring this video. They went ahead and sent me over a few things. First and foremost, the most important thing is their new Sensitive Scalp Solution Deep Conditioner. Love, 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 and I'll tell you guys all about it in this video. They also sent over a mask for my face, some Vaseline for my lips, and they also went ahead and sent me over some aloe juice. I don't know about you guys, but my favorite part about pampering my hair, especially after having my hair in a ponytail for more than 3 days, is literally taking down that ponytail and scratching my scalp. I do this for about a couple of minutes. Sometimes I add some oils, but for the most part, I just really enjoy just taking away all that tension from my hair and just scratching my scalp and having that feeling of relief. Then I head over to the bathroom to wash my hair, and of course, every wash day, every pamper day, there must be a playlist, which I've provided this playlist down below, so make sure you guys check it out. But I have my music and I hop in the shower and I begin washing my hair. I actually went ahead and used the Naturall Club avocado shampoo, which is one of my favorite shampoos. I actually have a video and I'll provide it in the iCard above. So diving into this Sensitive Scalp Solution, which by far is my favorite deep conditioner by Naturall Club. They really did their thing this time with this deep conditioner. Off rip, the smell of this product is so amazing. It smells like it has like papaya and pineapple and some passion fruit. I don't know what they put in this deep conditioner, but listen here, that thing smells so good. The slip in this deep conditioner, as expected, was absolutely amazing. What I love the most about this deep conditioner is the fact that it has no coconut oil. Every time I have coconut oil in my hair or I have a product that has coconut oil in it, my hair always feels super brittle and hard to work with. So the fact that this deep conditioner did not have that made me super happy and excited to use it. The key ingredient in this deep conditioner is the aloe vera, which leaves your hair smooth and shiny. I think it's what's granting it to have so much slip, because this time, usually I take a brush or a comb to detangle my hair, but this time I was able to just use my fingers throughout the entire process. Aloe vera also promotes hair growth. It prevents any itching on the scalp. And I think that's why this is the key ingredient in this Sensitive Scalp Solution, because aloe vera really does take away any dandruff or any buildup that you may have on your scalp to help your hair be in the most nourished and healthiest form. Once I'm finished applying the deep conditioner, I like to take my hair and just put it up with a clip, and I put on a shower cap. Take this microfiber towel, I put it in the microwave for about a minute, and then I place it on my head. And I do this just to concentrate that heat from the microfiber towel into the deep conditioner. While my hair is being pampered, I like to go ahead and just pamper myself very lightly. So I took that lip therapy that Naturall Club sent over and that mask, and I applied it on my lips and on my face for a few minutes. And then on my hair pamper days, I just like to sit back and relax while my hair is getting its TLC. I take some pictures for Instagram, I go on Twitter, I tweet a little bit, I just let myself relax. So after I removed this deep conditioner, my hair just felt so amazing. It was super fluffy, it felt very hydrated and moisturized, and the shine was out of this world. After removing the deep conditioner, I just like to go ahead and style my hair to my preference. So on this specific night, I went for a flat twist out and I let it dry overnight. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the end of my hair pamper routine. I just really love deep conditioning my hair and just treating my hair, giving it some TLC. I hope that this video was helpful, and please be sure to check out all the information in the description box below. I'll see you guys in my next one.